Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download and step by step I show you in this video. So open any browsers to type Dell Pro 14 plus, then service tray and then driver. After that, this first link dell.com. So just click on not this because this is the official website. Now if you want to install the all driver, so you can click here, check for update, and it will show the required driver you can install easily. Otherwise, if you have to install specific driver related to you are getting some issues and all, so you can install this selector driver. After that, scroll down, this is your system and this is your model number, and okay, scroll down, click on category. So after that, it will your driver will show like categorize. Then scroll down. Now first you can see this is audio driver. Click to download icon. This is download. After that, it will start downloading. Almost 2 to 8 MB size, and it is depend about your internet speed how many take to time to download. Then it is download. Just single click to open. After that, click yes. Then first is directly install, second is extract, and after that install. So install directly, select the first and continue. Now it is start in the background, then accept the license and then install. So now it is installing, click to OK and then close. Okay, you can restart your system and then please check it.